What up, guys? Got a couple new project ideas I want to get done. Need to get all my, want to do some kind of leather coat painting. Let's see what I got here. I've had this leather coat for quite a while, so can't believe I haven't yet, but it's time to paint it. Let's see what we can do. Quick base with a paint marker and then going over that with the acrylic paint, which is quite the tedious process. 1 million layers of white. Alright. Ready to go in with some lines. Start this thing. After finalizing all the paint on the back of the coat, I decided to also paint the front a little bit, which ended up actually being the entire front. This whole thing is just a mishmash of styles and letters and characters and all kinds of chaos. Let me know what you think of the leather coat painting process. Super fun to do. Make sure you check out @RoyalStain on Instagram. Check out royalstain.com. A bunch of behind the scenes and updates all the time. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like and subscribe. Share with a buddy if you get a chance. Appreciate the time.